Isang Donbell fans may mensahe kay Belinda. Ayon sa kanya, she's Belinda Bel Mariano, the one who being bashed for being Max Payne. Hindi siya bagay maging Max Payne, ang liit niya. I'm disappointed, dapat ganito na lang ang gumana. Her basher said. The one who being compared to Donnie's past loved him, the one who being bashed because of her nose. The one who said, never pa akong naging proud sa sarili ko. Never po akong naging proud sa sarili ko. This line from her, I can't forget, lagi siyang nagpapaulit-ulit sa utak ko and I don't know why. And now, lalong naging harsh ang mga pangbabas sa kanya. Umabot na sa puntong naiiyak na siya ba't pinipigilan niya. Belle is kind kahit masasamang salita na yung nabasa niya, she still says thank you to those people. Sino sila for making our gem cry? Dam, naiiyak ako, ba't ang bait mo, Belle? Okay naman maging mabait wag nga lang dumating sa point na hinaayan mong apak-apakan ka nila. Mahal ka namin pag umiyak ka or nalulungkot ka, kami din. Hindi masamang ipagtanggol mo ang sarili mo lalo na at alam mong sumusobra na sila. Belinda, I just want to tell you that even you were never been proud of yourself, I and we, Bubblies, Donbell's believers are very proud of you just like what Donnie said. Sobrang proud ako sa'yo. We are too, we're super duper proud of you, our gem. Even if you don't fight back to your bashers kasi sobrang bait mo, we will fight for you, we will protect you because seeing you sad or crying nasasaktan kami. Always remember, Belle, be daring, be brave, be loving, be compassionate, be strong, be who you are, be beautiful. Belinda, our gem, you really did well, Belle. Yung mga bashers na yan, they will regret soon. For now, be strong, kami bahala sa'yo. Maraming nagmamahal at pumoprotekta sa'yo. We got you, Belinda, our gem, our unbothered queen.